When we built Appsmith, we made a promise. Give enterprises complete control over their data and infrastructure. One Docker command, that's all it takes to run Appsmith. And thousands of enterprises trust us. They build mission-critical applications, they scaled their teams, they transformed their businesses. Here's the reality, not every company has a dedicated DevOps team. Not every IT department has bandwidth for another critical system, yet every business needs to transform their internal tools while maintaining control and privacy. So think about it. Who better to run your Appsmith instances than Appsmith itself? The same team that runs millions of apps on Appsmith.com, the same infrastructure that powers thousands of enterprises, and the same experts who built the platform from the ground. That is why today we are introducing Appsmith Managed Hosting with zero infrastructure management, 99.99% guaranteed uptime, automatic scaling that actually works, daily backup so you don't have to think about it, and security that lets you compliance team sleep at night. All backed by the people who actually built Appsmith. Not a third-party provider, not a generic hosting service, but the team that knows Appsmith better than anyone else. You keep all the control you love about self-hosted. Your data remains private, your custom domains works, your single sign-on and authentication remains unchanged, and your VPCs and VPNs stay connected. But now you also get expert support that responds in minutes, not days. Proactive monitoring that catches issues before you do, updates that don't break the weekend, and performance optimizations by the people who build the platform. So visit the link in the description right now to get started. Self-hosted gave you control. Managed hosting gives you your time back. Cheap features, not infrastructure.